There are two kinds of nodes in decision tree. The first one is called decision node, which is represented by a square, and the second one is called state of nature node, which is represented by a circle. Branches that come out from decision node represent alternative, while branches that come out from state of nature node represent states of nature. To make decision by using decision tree, first we need to draw the tree. Second, we need to write payoff at the right end of the tree. Next, we need to write notation of probability at every branch that comes out from state of nature node. After that, we need to assign the probabilities and then calculate EMVs, and finally, we need to make decision. Let's look at an example. Misha wants to open a dress shop. She can choose to open either a large shop or a small shop. The market for the shop can be either good or bad. She can also choose to not open the shop. The following table is Misha's payoff table. Misha has the option of conducting a marketing research at a cost of 5,000. The research will indicate either a positive or a negative result. With some information on probability, make decision for Misha by using decision tree. Now first, draw the tree. A decision tree starts with a decision node. Misha wants to open a dress shop. Because she has the option of conducting a marketing research before opening the shop, she must first decide whether or not to conduct the research. So draw two branches from the decision node, one for conduct research and one for do not conduct research. Conducting research has a cost, so write the cost of the research at conduct research branch. The research will produce a result, so draw a state of nature node at the branch. The result of the research will be either positive or negative. So draw two branches from the state of nature node, one for positive and one for negative. After the result from the research is obtained, Misha needs to decide whether to open a large shop, a small shop, or no shop. So draw a decision node at each of these two branches and draw three branches from it for open a large shop, open a small shop, and open no shop. If Misha does not conduct research, she just needs to proceed with her main decision. So draw a decision node at this branch and draw three branches from it for open a large shop, open a small shop, and open no shop. Now, if Misha opens a shop, the market will be either good or bad. So draw a state of nature node at each of these branches and draw two branches from it for good market and bad market. After the tree is drawn, write payoff at the right end of the tree. From payoff table, it can be seen that if Misha opens a large shop and the market is good, she will get a profit of 100,000. So write 100 here, here, and here. And if the market is bad, she will lose a profit of 60,000. So write negative 60 here, here, and here. Also, if Misha opens a small shop and the market is good, she will get a profit of 75,000. So write 75 here, here, and here. And if the market is bad, she will lose a profit of 40,000. So write negative 40 here, here, and here. Finally, if she opens no shop, the profit is 0. So write 0 here, here, and here. Next, write notation of probability at every branch that comes out from state of nature node. The first branch that comes out from state of nature node is positive branch. The probability at this branch would be probability of positive. The second branch that comes out from state of nature node is negative branch. the probability at this branch would be probability of negative. The next branches that come out from state of nature nodes are good market and bad market branches. Now let's look at this part of the tree. There is another state of nature branch behind this which is positive. So for the good market branches, the probability would be probability of good given positive. And for the bad market branches, the probability would be probability of bad given positive. And now let's look at this part of the tree. There is another state of nature branch behind this which is negative. So for the good market branches, the probability would be probability of good given negative. And for the bad market branches, the probability would be probability of bad given negative. Finally, let's look at this part of the tree. There is no state of nature branch behind this. So for the good market branches, the probability would be probability of good. And for the bad market branches, the probability would be probability of bad. After the notation of probability are written, assign the probabilities. To assign the probabilities, first take out the probability information from the question. It says that the probability that the research will indicate a positive result is 0.55 and the probability that the research will indicate a negative result is 0.45. Also, it says that the probability of a good market given a positive result from the marketing research is 0.78 and the probability of a good market given a negative result from the marketing research is 0.27. From here, we get the probability of a bad market given a positive result from the marketing research equals to 0.22 and the probability of a bad market given a negative result from the marketing research equals to 0.73. Finally, it says that the probability of a good market is 0.7 and the probability of a bad market is 0.3. Now that we have all probabilities, assign them to the tree. Next, calculate EMV. Note that the calculation of EMV must be done backward. To calculate EMV of a node, take payoff at the first branch of the node and multiply it with probability at the first branch of the node. And then add that to the multiplication of payoff and probability at the second branch of the node. Compare the EMVs at each part of the tree and choose the highest EMV. Cancel out the branches that are not chosen. Now at this point, calculate another EMV. Because conducting research has a cost, the cost must be subtracted from the EMV. Compare the last two EMVs and choose the highest EMV. Cancel out the branch that is not chosen. Finally, make decision. To make decision, identify the alternative at the branches that are chosen.